At the Enable conference, it gives us an opportunity to come out and not only work with our partner Enable, but we get to see a lot of our customers here.
The show's actually been terrific. To me, it's been one of the better shows of the year.
Very good conference. A lot of focus on the VAR, on the MSP. This is the best Enable Summit I've seen to date.
Autotask has always stressed the importance of partnerships, and Enable was one of the first partnerships that we did do with a network management product, and it was a very successful one, and it's proved out by the number of customers that we share. For me, and I can see it when I come to these events every year, is their vision is generally spot on. Because they have the amount of nodes under management that their partners have, they get really good insight into what's happening out there, what's happening with the industry, what's happening with the technology. They're able to react to the market. They've got really smart people running their company, so it's a good company to partner with. We share a lot of philosophy with them in terms of how we run our own business. So from that perspective, this partnership is a really strong one for us. When I always get to hear the Enable keynotes, we get really good insight into industry trends. We get to see a lot of our own customers here. Enable and Autotask share many mutual customers. So we get to come here and do a number of things. Keep on top of industry insights, meet our customers, attract new customers, visit old friends, and do business as well. So it's a good conference for us.
It's been a great summit for us. We had the first night, we had just a ton of people come by and a lot of new partners for us, a lot of people we hadn't met, or a lot of people who had looked at Cisco a few years ago and are coming back for another look today. I've probably talked to 200 partners, something like that, and it's been great. Our Vice President of Small Business, Mark Monday, is going to be delivering the keynote. Cisco is a platinum sponsor for this event, and we got a great booth location, and the Enable folks have taken great care of us, especially Camilla has been very helpful. So,
the Enable conference thus far is the breakouts, and in particular the panel discussions. Seems to really get a good interaction with the attendees. Really enjoying. I think the feedback I've gotten from the folks who stopped by our booth that the panels are something that they are getting a lot of good information from. We do 5 to 7 trade shows a year, and the Enable conference has been a very good event for us. A lot of good conversations. This is our niche. This is our ideal customer, if you will. So this is of the 5-7 that we've done this year. This ranks right up there with the ones we've done.
This event's grown, and like I said, it doubled over what it was last year from what I saw anyway. There's just a tremendous amount of new blood in this group. A lot of questions, a lot of excitement here at the show, as you might see in the form that we have here. Enable has just come a long way over the last 2 or 3 years. It's quite frankly, I consider one, if not the leading, one of the leading managed services platforms out there right now.
We showed up as a vendor sponsor, and the show's actually been terrific. To me, it's been one of the better shows of the year that we've participated in as a vendor and stuff. With our product and stuff, I think a lot of people have had success coming over to the booth and seeing what we do and how we do it. But I've also even talked to a lot of the people that are attending here that Enable, that came and showed up at the Enable conference. They're really getting, I think, their money's worth on the Enable conference as far as the education and the technical and everything that you guys are providing. The other thing I'll tell you too was an interesting comment is that this is one of the few shows that they can go to and it's about them. Right? It's about them and their education and how they can improve their business. And I think hearing that come out of some of the people who are participating, I think it's a huge success for you guys. I would recommend, I would highly recommend Enable. Absolutely.